anyone's up in here yet. Hey, who is it? Good morning. You ready to get our day started? How'd you sleep last night? Pretty good, huh? It's almost 8 o'clock. It's actually after 8 o'clock and you're just getting started. Yeah. Alright. You want to get some breakfast? Yeah. Here, let me take that out. We want to see your smile. Ah. Avery. That's going to go right back in, right? Let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see that. Say hi. Can you say good morning to everyone? Alright. Little cutie pants. Hi. Alright, let's get you some breakfast. Yeah. And maybe we'll make another video later today. Say hi to everyone. Alright. Big kiss. No, big kiss. Love you.